Interesting match of Juventus against Paphos here from the UEFA Champions League. And it's 0-0 at half-time, but this is a decent XG number. So we've got total goals overdue 2, and it really apparently should be 1-0 to Juventus, although the current projected match result is a draw. So when you see that, you might be a little bit confused. Well, how comes one side is saying it should be 1-0 to Juventus, which means a Juventus win, but the projected match result is a draw? Well, it's just that the numbers are very, very close, and you can see actually here Paphos, they're getting very close to expecting a goal themselves. That's why it's highlighted in yellow. So anyway, as it stands, Juventus probably should be ahead, but Paphos are not looking too bad themselves. So anyway, you've always got to interpret the data in your best way, and we're not going to get involved back in Juventus at this price. We're just going to leave it. It's 1.46, but 2 goals are expected in this one. So we're going to get involved on the laying under 2.5 goals market. So we're laying unders, already got in there at 1.47, laying it down all the way down to 1.07. Okay, so we're expecting at least 2 goals in this. Let's see what happens. 0-0 at half time. 67 minutes on the clock. The inevitable Juventus goal has arrived. So Juventus are leading now 1-0. We did say at half time this should be 1-0 to Juventus, and just didn't like the price on them, so didn't get involved on the match odds market, but could have been a nice trade for some just to back Juventus there. Could have been a very nice simple one. The trade we're getting involved in, not so simple, because we got in laying under 2.5 goals, so we technically still need 2 goals to win on this market, but as from a football trading perspective, just 1 more goal would probably do it for us. And we'll just show you on the chart, ticking down. A little bit of a spike because it's still fairly late in the match, but we'll look at the data in just one moment. Just want to show you this. 1.47 was where we laid it initially, all the way down to 1.17. So having a look at the data here, I've updated the XG. We're going to update the correct score to Juventus, which is the 1-0. So we've still got 2 goals overdue in this one, and even a potential goal overdue to Paphos. So this doesn't look like it's over just yet. So we're going to stick with this. And another option we could have is to get involved, potentially laying the under 1.5 goals. So we could also do that at some point. But let's see what happens. We're going to stick with this, and we're going to look for that second goal that we are expecting. The data is telling us should arrive at some point. Let's see what happens. Juventus 1, Paphos 0. 72 minutes on the clock. We didn't have to wait long for that one. The first goal arrived on 67 minutes. The second goal has just arrived on 73 minutes, and so we are now in a position. We're just going to let that market settle. If we're going to go back to the data, I've updated the XG, and then we're just going to change the score on this one. So we've still got 1 goal overdue, which is apparently for Paphos. They apparently deserve a goal in this one. But anyway, look, as a football trader, we could just call it a day on this one. We were looking for 2 goals in the second half. We've got those 2 goals. Don't have to push our luck any further. Juventus are obviously in full control of this match. 2-0 up, and that could be the end of it. Just to show you, as a football trader, you've always got the flexibility, and you could use some of that green to maybe do something like that. Another goal, you're going to increase your profits. No further goals, you will make obviously a smaller profit. So you're going to make a profit. It's just a matter of how much. Those are obviously the nice positions to be in. But anyway, look, that isn't really the point of all these demos. The point of this is just showing you how to use the XG to make data-driven decisions with your trading. I think that was a very good example. We saw at half-time, the data was leading us 2 goals in the second half, and we got them. And you saw it even after the first goal, we let it run because with the data was telling us that second goal was expected at some point. We can't control when it arrives. However, in this case, it's worked out nicely for us. So anyway, we're out on this one. Juventus 2, Paphos 0 on 72 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed checking that out. And if you want to see more clips just like this, then the best thing to do is to click the like button. Let YouTube know that you like videos just like this, and YouTube will obviously recommend more videos like this to you in the future. Just click the like button. And in case you didn't see it, we're currently giving this book away for free at the time of recording this clip. Okay, this is the XG XG manifesto. It's packed full of live trades broken down just like the trade you just saw, and then many more on top of that. We also show you the main elements of interpreting XG data to find those money-making trades, what they are, how we incorporate them. And basically, if you are just looking to go to the next level with your football trading, then this book is worth checking out, and it's absolutely free. The link should be in the description of this video. And also, obviously, you've got that QR code to scan. So you can just scan that code, put in your very best email address, and we will send the book right to you for you to check out. But this is only for the serious football traders who want to go to the next level. And this video that you're currently on is just a clip. If you want to see the full video, which is packed with many more real life trading demonstrations just like this and key takeaways and golden nuggets, the full video is on the screen right now. So that's where you should head to next. Just click that full video and then start watching right now.